In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, select Add Virtual Profile over here. And if you want to enable or disable Raise to Wake option thanks to this switcher. Then hit Get Started, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Rename and name your face data however you want to. Or just click on OK right away. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!